Good day, students. So now we are going to discuss the parts and functions of your nose. Your nose is the sense organ for smelling. It is also the organ responsible for breathing. Parts of the nose. Pinch your nose gently. The upper part of your nose is made up of bones. The tip of your nose is made up of cartilage and skin. The cartilage is flexible, translucent tissue that is softer than a bone. It gives shape to your nose. It also keeps your nostrils open so air can pass through easily. This is how the air containing the odor particles passes through your nose to your brain. The two openings of your nose where air enters are called nostrils. Inside your nostrils are very tiny hair-like structures called cilia that trap dust and dirt. From the nostrils, the air passes through a bigger space called the nasal cavity. From the nasal cavity, the air passes to the olfactory bulb, which contains the olfactory cells. The odor particles in the air are sensed by the olfactory cells, which then send messages to your brain through the olfactory nerve. The brain then interprets the message and tells you what you are smelling. These are the common nose disorder and first aid treatment. Nosebleed is the most common ailment of the nose. It may be caused by the dryness of the inner part of the nose because of heat or dry air. It may also be caused by picking the nose or blowing it too hard. Here are the first aid for a nosebleed. The first one is, if the blood is actively flowing from your nose, lean forward and pinch your nostrils using your thumb and index finger. Number 2, slowly press the pinched part toward your face and breathe through your mouth. Number 3, hold your nose in that position for 5 to 10 minutes. 4, if the bleeding continues, hold it for another 5 to 10 minutes. 5, when bleeding is reduced, sit calmly in an upright position. Number 6, do not bend your head down. This may cause further bleeding. Number 7, apply crushed ice on the nose and cheeks. The cool touch of ice will help stop the bleeding. Number 8, avoid blowing your nose while it is bleeding. Number 9, consult a doctor if the bleeding does not stop after 15 to 20 minutes or if the bleeding occurs more than 4 times a week. Care for the nose. Here are some ways of taking good care of your nose. The first one is, use soft piece of cloth to clean your nose. Number 2, cover your nose when passing by dusty areas. Number 3, blow your nose gently to clear off excess mucus. Number 4, avoid picking your nose with your fingers or sharp objects. Number 5, eat food rich in vitamin K and vitamin C. Lack of vitamin K may lead to nosebleeds. Dark green vegetables are rich in vitamin K. On the other hand, fruits rich in vitamin C help keep blood vessels strong. Orange, lemon, pineapple, and other fruits are rich in vitamin C. For your activity, answer the following questions. What are the parts of the nose? Describe the function of each part. Number 2, how can a person avoid nosebleed? And then number 3 question, what 3 things can you do to keep your nose healthy? Write your answers in your science notebook.